Hi, welcome to another video. We're talking about aliases. If you update your system, updating skel and up all these things, do check out what skel is. Then you get a new bashrc in, and a bashrc contains aliases and lots of them. So if you type in the word Ctrl-T and an alias, you get a long list, and I've created just a new one. And it's called probe. And probe is another way for us to help you. So it's an application, it's an alias, and behind it is an application that's gonna provide all the information we hope on your hardware, right? So this is my hardware. This machine is an Asus motherboard, Strix, etc., etc., and we are running ArcoLinux rolling 64 bits with this particular kernel. And is there information about this vendor? You can click on all these things and you see some more information. Who's using this? What's the vendor of this thing? How many people use this motherboard, and so on. But we wanted, of course, to help you. You see some data in here. We can take a look at your boot EFI. The hardware info is available. We have INCSI also, so INCSI minus B, I think it's called, right? We have this here as well. So to figure out, okay, what's the kernel, what's the network card, what's the video card? It's a lot of information that is provided in this dump. Also the D message is in here. Lots of things going on your system. We can try to understand what's going on, because often the language is a problem, and then again the technicality of things, right? The machine went boom. I mean, we can't solve that. That's why we need something to give us an overview. What system is this? What issues might be responsible for, etc., etc. So let's try and use it. So if you don't want to use it, that's fine. It's just a probe command, and it's going to create an overview of the internal system. Whatever is happening on your system is going to give a very nice structured layout. And hopefully we can help you, right? Now, probe is not going to work just like that. It's an application, and starting from November, we'll have it on the ISO. But ArcoLinux and ArcoLinux is rolling, which means update, update, update all day long, months, years. And the idea to keep on rolling, and for that reason, we have a bin folder. Stay rolling 2020. From ISO to ISO, we jump from ISO to ISO, and this work here, 2020-21, will jump every 2 months, right? So we have a stay rolling here for you guys. Just run the thing, and it will add the software that we require for the probe. Otherwise, it will not work, right? So it's called hardware probe, and we do need this one as a dependency, and that's it. Both are in our repo, so I'll just install very quickly, and then you can indeed use the alias probe. All right, have fun.